Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. The sun wasn't even in the other driver's eyes.
Twenty minutes later.
Be careful when driving around trucks. Close call with another idiot.
What the fuck are you doing?
How did these people get their driver's license? Good thing that this driver didn't get rammed by that RV. Red lights are optional? This aggressive driver on the French highway nearly hits my car. This driver decides not to exit at the last minute and runs a Toyota out of its lane. Looks like we have a bit of Europe here. Couldn't possibly just take the next exit and turn around. Poor road lines cause confusion. Good thing I kept a safe following distance. Not sure how they got into this position, but I certainly wasn't expecting to find them there. I have a large truck, so I felt like I was going to clip the guy's leg off. This impatient Audi driver goes straight from a left turn lane and cuts off my wife. Why aren't you paying attention and looking both ways? The light was very red. I'm sure they'll see me if I just poke out of the cones.
Weird. You can imagine all the different things that two very strong and heavy things do when they push against each other.
Very consistent forces. Yeah, they can subduct, right? And that creates mountains. For our purposes today, the next category is the most important. It's where two plates sort of slide by one another, like two ships in the night, or two trucks on an interstate, just sideswipe.
I'm not sure what she was trying to do. Such nice weather. Not for the engine, though.
Issus matere. Ko je ovo kurac, bo? Koji? Da sam smijem.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.